In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get API keys in ClickUp. So if you want to create an app, you will need to go ahead and get your API key first. If you find this video helpful, I kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and log into your ClickUp account and then head over to your account profile here. Once you have clicked on this, go ahead and click on settings. And from settings, go to this sidebar here. And then you should be able to see ClickUp API. Now you're told here, build an app that makes ClickUp better. You can check out API documentation here to get started. To get your API key, go ahead and click on create an app here. And then go ahead and enter the app name and your direct URL. And then click on create app. Once you're done, now you'll be able to get your API key to use. So that's how you can get your API key in ClickUp. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.